Welcome to the Video Inspection Pro Job Submission Training video. Before you get started, make sure you've watched our earlier video on VIP registration. Okay, let's begin. Launch VIP and sign into the application. This will take you to the main menu. Select the Add Job button to create a new job. Select the appropriate jurisdiction for your inspection request. Enter the permit information and then click Continue. Look for the correct job code and description and click on it. If you are on the job site, you can use the Get Location button to get the address for the job. If the information is not correct, you can try to use the Refresh button. If the address is still not correct, you may enter the address manually. When you have the correct address, click on the Select this address button. Review the information regarding the job. If it is correct, click on the Submit Job button. If there is an error, you will need to click the Cancel button and try again. The job is now ready to be submitted for an inspection request. When you are ready for an inspection, click on the Active Job button. This will bring up a list of the jobs you have created. Select the appropriate job from the list. Review the job information to make sure you have the right job selected. If everything is correct, click on the Request Inspection button. Your job is now in the queue and will be picked up by an inspector shortly. Make sure you are on the job site and ready for the inspection. Congratulations! You are now ready to submit jobs for inspection. If you have any questions or need help, please call us at 888-820-1180 or email to support@sjursolutions.com. Check out our other videos for more assistance, and thanks for choosing Video Inspection Pro.